Hello friends, welcome to another quick fix tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Snapchat application not working or crashing again and again on Android mobile problem. So before I start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the subscribe button if you are first time on this channel. So to fix Snapchat application not working or crashing problem, simply first of all just go to settings and do the same as I am showing you in this video. This will fix your problem. After following all these steps, hope so this will fix your problem. So just don't forget to subscribe and also like the video. Thank you for watching.